Hey guys, how's it going? It's Helen here and I am back with a new video. It's a review on the Missha BB creams. So I have two of them. I have the Missha Perfect Cover BB cream, which I've used for quite some time. And I also have the Magic Cushion Cover SPF, it's called SPF 50? Magic Cushion Cover by Missha. So I'm just going to tell you guys how I feel about each product and my opinion on each product. I am not a professional makeup person, so this is just my opinion and a regular girl's opinion from using it on a daily basis. So I got this one first. I purchased this one a while ago, as you guys can tell. It's quite beat up. It's quite empty as well. So this one is the Perfect Cover BB Cream, and it's the pump one, which is very convenient, so you don't have to like pour it out like some foundations or BB creams you have to, or squeeze it out. This one, you just pump it out. It comes with a lid, but I lost the lid. And this one is in number 23 Natural Beige. I'll also mention that this one is also in number 23. I'm not too sure what the name is for this one. It doesn't say on the package. So how I would usually use this one is basically I would pump a little bit at the back of my hand or on my fingers here, and then I would put it like this, warm it up with my fingers, and then apply it where I want to apply it. And I usually apply this on my T-zone, and I usually also apply this on my T-zone. I just usually apply foundation on my T-zone because it's where my blemishes are. So I have a combination oily skin. Put it onto my face on my T-zone, and then I would use a sponge just to blend everything in. And that's how I would use this one. And for this one, which is the Magic Cushion Cover by Missha, this one is convenient because it has the sponge in here already, which you just open the protective cover here and you pat some, and then you just do this. So that one's a lot more convenient because you can just take it to go, and then everything is in here. Everything's all compact into this little cute case. Cute packaging. And by the way, this is not a mirror. This is just, well, I guess don't use it as a mirror. Don't use this as a mirror. So both of these products is a light to medium coverage. So if you're looking for something higher coverage, I wouldn't recommend these. These cover up everything that I need perfectly. So just basically the redness around my nose, and then some of the blemishes I have up here, and I have pores and stuff that I don't want showing. So these cover it up perfectly. I've used drugstore BB creams before, and they did not cover anything compared to these two. So it's supposed to lighten the skin tone, which I'm assuming is supposed to make it a little bit dewier and like it look like your skin kind of thing. So this one is perfect for that. So this actually looks like your skin when you put it on, because I only put it on my T-zone and it blends in perfectly with the rest of my face. This one also blends in perfectly with the rest of my face, but this one actually brightens up my face. No joke. I'm wearing it today right now, and if I were to compare this one and this one just on a half face, this one definitely brightens up my skin a little bit more than this one. For some reason, even though they're claiming it to be the same color, number 23, this one's a little bit darker and this one's a little bit lighter. So that's why I think this one brightens up your skin a little bit more than this one. Because I apply my foundation and BB cream on my T-zone, I tend to get quite oily there because that is my oiliest part on my face. So when comparing that, this one leaves me with less oil on my face. Doesn't leave me all shiny up on there is a little bit of oil at the end of the day, but if I were to compare it with this one, this makes my face oily by the end of the day. I do want to mention I don't use setting powder on a daily basis. I occasionally do use it, occasionally don't, but I don't use it on a daily basis, and I just use these ones on its own. Also, I wear glasses. So something about wearing glasses is that the foundation or BB cream comes off onto the plastic part of your glasses, which is something I kind of look for when I'm looking for a BB cream or a foundation. When comparing these two, this one doesn't stick or come off as much on the plastic part of the glasses compared to this one. I mean, it's not a big difference, but I tell there's a difference on the plastic piece of the glasses. This one comes off just less than this one. This one wins for if you wear glasses. For the scent of these products, both of these smell very similar to each other. If you're looking for something that's unscented, these are not your friends. These are both scented. I would say this one has a stronger scent than this one. This one smells like flower, like a light scented flower. It smells nice. I don't mind scents, so I don't mind that. This one also has a scent to it. It's definitely less than this one though. This one has a stronger scent than this one. I'll swatch it for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on skin. So overall, I like both of these products a lot. This one sticks onto my face more when wearing glasses and it doesn't make me as oily. This one brightens up my skin a lot more and it makes me look a lot more vibrant and excited. If I had to choose one or the other one, I think I would choose this one, even though this one is more convenient because it's just, you know, a package and you just go. This one's, I guess, a little bit better for the summertime because it has higher SPF than this one, but this one's strange. I've never saw SPF 42. It's usually like a solid, you know, 50, 20, 30. If you have oily combo skin and you wear glasses, I would recommend this one. I would also recommend this one. You just gotta get a little bit more oilier, but your skin's gonna look great and bright. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.